Hey everyone, it's Caitlin with Glitter Chimp coming to you live from the Glitter Shop to tell you guys about the advent calendars that we have released and how they will work. For those of you who have never done a 12-day advent calendar, they're really awesome because you can choose which day you'd like to start and end on your advent calendar. So we have two advent calendars that we released. There's advent calendar number 1, which looks like this, and advent calendar number 2, which will have this cute little sticker at the top that says Glitter Chimp number 2. So in these two advent calendars, we still have advent calendar number 2 available. It's a mystery advent calendar with 12 drawers of glitter and other tools that you can use for making tumblers, for making epoxy gifts, different things that are a lot of fun and super easy to use. Each advent calendar with the glitter is a full-size jar, so depending on the type of glitter, it'll be either a 2-ounce jar or a 1-ounce jar if you get micas or divas in the advent calendars. Our advent calendar number 1 is all new glitter that's in the advent calendars. There are 6 different jars of glitter inside of the calendars, as well as 2 mica powders, 1 of the Diva Collection glitters, and then drawers of tumbler making tools. So this is advent number 1. The cool thing about these is you can, like I said, you get to start the date that you want. You can either start them on December 13th, which will let you end on Christmas Eve, or if you start on December 14th, it'll actually end on Christmas Day. So you get to choose which day you'd like to start. But when you do start the calendars, you will start with number 1 and end on number 12. So that's how these drawers work. This way you get the best prize on the 12th. We will be approving posts of people opening the different days for the Advents, but to make sure that everyone gets to have the fun surprise every day, we will actually not approve posts of any of the new glitter until the following day. So if you open on the first day of Advent, then we will allow it to be posted on the next day. We know that this doesn't follow the traditional Christian, ways of the Advent calendar, which would be starting on the day of Christmas Eve or the day after Christmas Eve. But it's going to just be a fun little surprise for 12 days of Christmas with Glitter Chimp. So we do still have Advent calendar number 2 available. We may have a few of Advent calendar number 1 that we will release later this week because we do have a few left over. So make sure you follow our Facebook page and you'll be able to get all of the latest updates on the Advent calendars, as well as all of our back in stock inventory. And don't forget to like and subscribe below, and don't forget to ring that bell so that you always get notified of all of the updates we do with Tumblr TV and Glitter Chimp on YouTube. So you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you guys again soon. Bye, everybody.